What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Rambley the Raccoon from Indigo Park. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. So we're going to start in the center with a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then from the ends, we're going to bend the bottom of the nose, coming down and in towards the center point. And then we'll fill the center of the nose in black. Let's go to the bottom point of the nose, draw the mouth. We're going to start with the left side, curving this down and then up. Go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Now on the ends, we're going to add a bracket going around the corners of the mouth. I'm going to connect the corners of the mouth with a half oval, starting on the left, come down towards the bottom of the mouth, round this out, and then go up. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the tongue. And then over on the top left side, let's add the tooth, going down towards the point and then back up. Now with the nose and mouth in place, we want to wrap the muzzle going around. Let's start from the left side of the nose, bend this up, go around the mouth, come down and in towards the chin, and go all the way around the right side, round out the muzzle, and then come in towards the right side of the nose. Now I'm going to place two large circles on top of the muzzle for the eyes. Let's start on the left side of the nose, draw that circle, going all the way around, come down the side, just tuck this in towards the side of the muzzle, go to the right side and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, go all the way around and then back in. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a fold, going up and then down, step up, come down and then up. You want to fill that center area in black. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So we'll start with the left, drawing a circle all the way around and then in on top of the cheek. Do the same thing on the right side. Now on the inside, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupil. Let's add that trim going around the eyes. Let's start from the inside left eye and go up higher around the brow and then just pull that down towards the side to right about there. Let's go over towards the right side, doing the same thing up towards the same height and then down along the side. Let's bend this down and then in underneath the eyes. Now I want to go back up to the top and add some thickness to the brow. Let's start on the left side. Go up higher in the middle. And then taper that towards the inside. Do the exact same thing on the right. And we want to fill the inside of the eyebrows. Let's add that patch underneath the eyes. Starting underneath this curve, we go around and then in towards the side of the muzzle. Fill the inside of those areas. Let's go to the corners of the eyes, step out and draw a large half circle for the top of the head. So we'll start with the left. We'll go up above the brow, go across the middle, and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. And then from here, draw two straight angle lines coming down and out across the cheeks. Now from here, I just want to bend the head, coming down and then in towards the chin, towards the middle, go across and then up on the right. Now I want to go back up to the top and place the ears on top of the head. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start with the left side. We're going to bend this up and then out. Line this up on the right, going up and out. Now I want to add a bend. We'll go across and then out toward the tip of the ear. From here, bend this out and then in towards the bottom. Then we'll do a hard bend, going down and in toward the side of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside, starting from the bottom. Just want to leave an even space gap going all the way around. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw on the scarf tucked in underneath and start over on the left. We're going to start with a fold, going down and in, line this up on the right side. Now let's add in that fold. We're going to step out, bend this out, round this out, and come down and in towards the center point, and do the exact same thing from the right. Now I want to layer that patch in the center of the body underneath the scarf. Let's start on the left side. We draw an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom, round this out, and just tuck that up underneath. Along the bottom of the oval, step down and add another curve from left to right, going down and then up. Let's move to the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the center, start with the left side, coming down and up, and then line that up on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top of the foot, going up, and we'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top of that patch, step out and curve the body. We're going to go out, come down around the hips, and then in on top of the feet. Now from the ankles, we're going to draw a zigzag pattern, starting from the outside, going up, down, up, down, up, and then down. Now I want to flip that over on the right. So we're just going to line up these points. Now let's go back up towards the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Starting from the top of the scarf, go straight out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to point the thumbs going up. Go up, round up the thumb, and then taper that in. And then we'll add 3 fingers along the outside. Go up in an angle, round up the finger, and then come back in. Now I want to add 2 more fingers coming down, going out, around, and then up. Now I add 1 more finger coming down and then up towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to bend the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's separate the wrist just like we did with the ankles with a series of points, starting from the bottom. Add some points coming up toward the top. Now let's flip that over on the right side. And now we want to place that tail coming out from the left side of the body. Let's start out here, and bend this up, come around towards the bottom of the tail, and then pull that up towards the side of the body. Now I want to add those thick stripes across the tail. Let's start with the inside, starting from the top, bend this out, and then in. I'm going to leave a gap, draw that 2 more times. Going around, and then down, step out, and then draw that again. Now I want to finish this off by filling the inside of those stripes with this thick black marker. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Rambley the raccoon from Indigo Park. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.